Now, the very first thing is, before actually doing any lab, you need to make sure your lab book is set up. We will do most of the lab book setup at home as homework the night before a lab is due. So, as of right now, what I have done is I followed all the directions, and what I have is I have the rules written as it says to, and then I have the procedure written. So I have all of the instructions I need. I have one more thing I need to actually do in my lab book here, but before I do, I want to actually show all of you how to do multiple labs at the same time. So if I go back to page 2, which is the first page of my table of contents, I already had the planting as seed lab that I started on 8/21 and started on page 5. Using microscopes, I put on the next available page. So I was working here. What most of you are probably in the habit of doing is to say, okay, I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3 pages for the planting a seed lab, so I'm gonna start the next lab here. No, that is not what you do. What you do if you're doing multiple labs is, when I finish this page with planting a seed, what I'll do in the bottom right corner is I'll write go to, and then let's say the next page, I know I'm going to finish 7 and 8. So let's say the next page that I'm planting a seed on is page 9. Well, then what I do is in the bottom right corner, I put go to 9. And so when I, Casey Jones, am grading your planting a seed lab, I go to the front, I look at your table of contents, and I go to page 5. So I look at page 5, I look all the way to the bottom, and when I get here, if something is written here, I know it's not on the next page that I continue. I instead go to page 9. So that is how you use your lab book all year long.